Hey everyone, this is my pistachio and ladyfinger cake, made with Savoiardi biscuits for ease and layered with an indulgent pistachio cream. Ladyfingers make building layered cakes incredibly easy. They give structure instantly without baking. And of course, there's no added sugar in this dessert whatsoever. So let's get to it. In my heat-proof bowl, I have 60 grams of whipping cream, and to that I'm adding 60 grams of xylitol. Give these ingredients a good stir, but there's no need to insist right now, and then heat the cream in short intervals until the xylitol dissolves completely. You will notice a small color change, and that's to be expected. And here I have 75 grams of strained raspberry puree, to which I'm adding 10 grams of orange blossom water and 275 grams of lukewarm milk. The fact that the milk is only slightly warm will make it easy for all the aromas to spread throughout it. Now take a small whisk or a fork like I did and mix everything until you have a pink homogeneous liquid. In my mixing bowl, I have 160 grams of very cold whipping cream, and I'm whipping it by hand to a soft pea consistency. And here I have 300 grams of mascarpone at room temperature and 120 grams of pistachio paste. Use a silicone spatula to mix the two together until you obtain a very thick but smooth cream. Add a small amount of the pistachio mixture to the sweetened whipping cream. This step is required to bring down the temperature of the sweetened cream. And don't worry if it's lumpy, just take the whisk and it'll become homogeneous in no time at all. And now it's safe to pour this mixture over the rest of the mascarpone and pistachio cream. It's best if you use your spatula to mix now until you obtain a homogeneous cream, because we don't want to incorporate any air. Add the entire amount of the whipped cream and continue folding and mixing with the spatula until the cream is homogeneous. And now that it's ready, it's time to assemble the cake. Nothing easier. Here I have 200 grams of ladyfingers and I am dipping them in the raspberry mixture. It's almost like making a tiramisu. And if you don't have an adjustable cake ring, just use a springform pan. And now that the first layer is done, add half of the pistachio cream and level it with your spatula. And don't worry about being too precise here, we are not making an entremet. And now let's make the second layer. This time, try keeping the ladyfingers in the liquid 1 or 2 seconds longer. Gently press them halfway deep into the cream. And when you're done, it's time to add the remainder of the cream. Spread it with your spatula and then refrigerate the cake for 8 hours. After 8 hours in the fridge, the cake is fully set, and the decor is as simple as the recipe itself. Just some pistachio powder on the surface. That's it. Unlatch the ring and lift it away. And there it is, your beautiful pistachio and raspberry ladyfinger cake. Peel away the acetate and you're ready to serve. The cake slices easily because the ladyfingers are so soft. And that beautiful pistachio cream, well, that's something you have to try for yourselves to believe me. Let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you. See you next time, dessert lovers!